Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Lahore Valley of Himachal Pradesh to get power supply through an Atal Tunnel. Updates on electric vehicle industry. Updates on solar power tenders. Coming to the details. After a year-long efforts, the laying of power transmission lines from Palchar near Manali to Lahore Valley through Atal Tunnel has been completed. After a series of tests, the power supply to the oldest region of Himachal was started through the tunnel. The 33 11 kV substations at Sisu, Kharga and Tirot have been connected with the new transmission line. Nearly 8,000 houses of Lahore Valley of Himachal Pradesh will continue to get power even after the annual snowfall in winter season this year, as the valley's power grids are now being fed through 33 kV transmission line laid across the Atal Tunnel. The 4.5 megawatt Tirot hydroelectric project becomes the only source of electricity in winter season. A transmission line across 13,050-foot high Rohtang Pass was the only electric supply linked to the Lahore Valley. Heavy snowfall on the pass used to snap the cables frequently in the winter season. TVS Motors, India's third largest two-wheeler maker, is in talks with a clutch of global private equity investor to raise $300 to $500 million for its electric vehicle subsidiary. The fund proposed to be raised will be primarily used to develop a product pipeline to cater to the global and local market. TVS first EV offering, iQube, currently sold in Bengaluru, Chennai, Coimbatore, Delhi and Pune, will be available across 1,000 dealerships in major towns and cities by the end of ongoing financial year 2022. Around the same time, the company will also launch its scooter based on the Creon concept, which TVS claims will be the most advanced electric two-wheeler in India. Tata Motor has raised $1 billion from TPG Capital in October at the valuation of $9.1 billion for its EV business. Mumbai-based EV charging solutions provider Magenta has set up 6 EV charging hubs with over 150 charging points for the electric vehicle commercial fleet vehicles across key locations in Bangalore and plans to set up 9 more such facilities by the year end. Synced with the company's ChargeGrid smart mobile app, the facility enables EV owners to check the real-time availability of charging stations and book slots, and fleet operators to pay for availing the service. The Kerala State Electricity Board has announced the list of empaneled installers for EPC of 200 megawatt of grid-connected residential rooftop solar systems in Kerala. The state distribution company has allotted only 138.25 megawatt of total capacity of 200 megawatt. Tata Power Solar won the largest capacity under the 3 to 10 kilowatt category. Other empaneled installers included Bingas Electrical, BSS Solar, Ishan Solar and Kondas Automation. Madhya Pradesh Urja Vikas Nigam Limited has invited bids for developers to install and commission 18 megawatt of grid-connected rooftop solar projects under Renewable Energy Service Company model at various locations in the state. The last date to submit the bids is November 29, 2021. Bids will be open on December 6th. Additional news today. 66 thermal power plants with cumulative capacity of 79.5 gigawatt are running with coal stock of less than 7 days. SRM University established the Center for Energy Storage Devices in collaboration with Amar Raja Batteries Limited for taking up application-oriented research in renewable energy and e-mobility. Karnataka has set a target to add 10 gigawatt additional installed capacity of renewable energy over the next 5 years. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 161.47 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 29 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 1 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 5 rupees 39 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 66 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 87 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day ahead market, 5.36 million units of volume cleared with weighted average price of 3 rupees 75 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.